amasomo imeyense ya Kenya ng'akiare masomo chinga kichiria ekero uria togete imeyense ng'akia masomo arenge umurayondo okorokwa Kibaki agacha akayabeka munanga kia masomo agacha akayaonjo mpaka tukanya free education or secondary paka golchakra primary secondary kirege at least kikabanga kianyarekane. Now igache kere serikali ende yachete bintu bikanyagonda bigosarika bono igate question people are asking this time round ile kinga itoko ende kuchia masomo daktari natokwana bono iga abane ba kaligote ubasie ke school mapema abandi bachakire kubunge biranga n'amatembaga ndete basieke bachenke karo bachirenka zibatimuka sengencho chibesa nchiyo chikuranji school ngaito koru ngaito gocha. What is your take about it?
Ekaro konyora ebintu biko batu growing economy like Kenya. Kenya is a backward economy. Ekaro konyora ebintu biko bakaba nafunsi bago samba school they destroy na ndemba mbali kuchesa. Isn't it? One aba usukulie a trend. I have done research. Njomo na call some research to find out. Of course, this is something we know, but to look at the influence of digital platform, vis-a-vis strikes in schools. You understand? When I did this kind of research, I went to a few schools in the country, and I want to tell you, feedback, you see, Inu as the society, Inu as a country, Inu as a government, what you have done, you have exposed us to seeing what you people do out there. Onyoro chibintu bigende bichavu in our country. What will they not do? That is why they may not have time or soma. They may have time to come out and politic. You understand? So, even the monomono most schools, of course not all of them, but schools in sana, even very well-known schools, respected schools, bana mbata tiko karamatemu. Abano nyabate kumupira ngwa kule timu bata ketengwa ke, especially this English kwende Premier League chiria. Man, you know, Chelsea, Arsenal, and the rest. Onye chikale buaka. Even nole nyumba ntu buata bana, msho no buata bana. Okonyoranga na matangazo no bra bitorora, ekero mwana ro mupira. I think you know that. So the same translation na ile back in our schools, where abano ni bamaite timu which work and ile batagete bago pingana. They can even ban the school in the name of Mbanji ko Ramani. Are you getting? Ose and this is a trend. How do we manage it? Onye nito bwate proper policies in education. Education bono iga. Omo minister ororo mo ngwano yororo mo minister. Ndati ukwana so much ikiagera no monto mo gusi. Ndati ukwana so much ko mo ridicule. But again, ekero ukora you know, that's one of the biggest institutions to work. That's one of the biggest ministries, if you know that.
Yeah, sure.
It encompasses everything. Onye o mweshimiwa gamba tokubeka your foot down. Ori yelinga ki nke exactly kemisati in schools. Twaira abana TV. If we have given them TV, please, bairi baba bali given the batagete because kwabaire, isn't it? Now, abana have been exposed digitally to see the other world. Mbata kita abandi bari cartoon. Umetoko like now, they let kijana Omaru. Era ali gutega mango ndabunge. Ogendo chukuli cartoon. Ali nyombali tukuli makuli cartoon. Isn't it? So abana now have been lured. Again to get they need it. Are you getting? Like now issues like wrestling, they look at it. Na rocho mwana yomo bumwirione. Alo wrestling, agotena kurugoraria, achikugwero monto gochinze. In fact yakabunekana. The reason is eraro chengambia, and this is what is happening. Schools nyinga, I have seen so many schools. We don't need to name them. But oiso kolege dia balimu are very funny na. Na balimu haba sometimes meshara yabe konyorwa, isn't it? Chibese raragwa nsesia mbabwati bonomba abeku chibese working for the next 4 or 5 years, isn't it? Up to 2027 or 28 or 29. ekero kwa abantu komenya kuba promise okunyala bakule pataranga chibese ichoko batebi. What are you telling them? Why do you discuss and negotiate nga chibese ichi more up to 2028 2027? That's rubbish. Umalige ntongo teba neki ekero ko montebese moebonoiga, isn't it? Negotiate terms and working conditions chabalimu now, not tomorrow. But being effective today, we have done APCD. Lakini mwone kirotari okarabo abantu abali barina abana banyakogoma, they don't care because they are extremely demotivated. Abali mwali muko babutara left center na ro mwali monde agatebunga igachiko kokora something in one of the national schools, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't want to name the mwalimu uyu. Lakini bono umwalimu uyiga he may have gone underground, isn't it? Bono, do you expect umwalimu uyu achiko perform any better on your already very ridiculed wakote bunga rokora bani binte bichafu? So I'm saying this in terms of education. Not on CPC yo moralia. Let me tell you for free. Bantu understand this CPA. Nobody understands CPC. Now, here CPE. Monte, you understand it. Will you end up going up to grade 14? You see now, grade 1, 2, 3, all the way, we are going to, this is now grade 9, isn't it? Yeah. We are going to grade 10. Meaning there's even a right you're going to grade 11, 12, 13. Let me tell you, yes. When your policies are backward, you will not succeed. Okay. You know, 844, which was fairly making sense, is only in Kenya. What we want, let me tell the entire society that again, when you give an idea, move out of it, let somebody else implement your idea. As a researcher, and I'm very senior researcher, I can give you an idea, isn't it? Yes. Omo not with the idea to follow the American style. One America, 200 years, they are fully developed. America, when we are so backward, everywhere. Baby, minister, baby, abachumba, baby, abafanyikazi bonsia, baby, kero monto moibi, university, which society are you going to manage? And then, that is why now panic university because of health so much 40,000 when they used to pay the in fact, I remember even 1800, isn't it? But now things have skyrocketed, things have changed. And your team, onye mogo style about these things among education.
Education still. Number one, amangana CP sino to kwa na bono iga bahari mba science mbe bago chokanda wana grade 9. Mbaika. Yes. Number 2, mathematics science na mathematics bana bari mbayo miss. That's another area bangana te kuligeria. Still chibe sanchiro rojitararu chibwene te ko bachiwe ke school so that banyara ko bago ikirania ekerenge kigo ikirania mangana CP siko sasa mangana masomo in Kenya. Ngaketora kwa ngane daktari na ndeke to ko kwa ngana yende.
Actually mbiya mugambia se igendo kingo buneki. Umanyete ekere serikali tamaitiki yakokora. Itabiki system cyayo biya. You suffer. Bono orocho na tu achage tenga kurupoto guchigora. Arocho poto mwenero. Kuna. Genda ngona ndara kwandire genda ngo nyakitali ogote bwa kanu mwako mugima kurwa manekuruwa boto kwete. Kushamanena. So iga to kwete. And things may not be as we look at them. Okay. Again, don't linga the kind of what's happening as a mangana education na CPCA. You see, we were not prepared completely. Na kingo te yu mheshimiwa Matiang'i. Oyo onya saka wangete babu president Kenya ga. Isn't it? I think that gentleman may be focused. As a system of education. Because about science. Now science is like the prodigal son. Science ingero what is needed in society. Tari mangana ebintu byonse mbitakeire lakini bono asengencho the math part of what we are teaching in school bantu mbanye tageti, and the very few I'm telling you bago correct science each abando konyoranga feel wasted.
Okay.
They feel wasted, they feel overworked, and they feel strained. Lakini usikonyoranga umeto montekera kusomera, for example when daktari a doctor okurwali abantu yagosoma miaka from 6 even to 9 years.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Wata ko mwaka no mushahara no waka mwempi sorry waka no mwempi 1 million
kama kwa mwalimu
kwa umuntu somete that high level kwa mwa 60,000. Don't you think you're a joker?
But yeah,
so nsa umuntu raga, that's why okay, this when you go out of the country aba Kenya bange no bakore no bakolegas. I want to tell you, even in South Africa abantu abange bakolegas, I've met my few friends bakolegas in some of the universities in South Africa. Their payment is well done. No medication na kile gento is well taken care of. Lakini paki here into imbigoroteki imbiyo bono muntu no science ekalo gukora nkora cha abanafunzi ba ku Eldoret University yesu kure kuchiko baka university gasieko bakoteba umwana obero for 9 years atana ku graduate. You are getting that. Now do you expect your mwana oyo ekalo kucha gukora takicho goetia abantu acha kwanga abantu abangisana so na ndemona kucho ende urikigasi rali isiko. That is what is happening. So science in autosomy okonyoranga the market is already out there. Even nurses when talking about grow to ira bantu bachikwandesha kuko Britain netagita our nurses, isn't it? Ntoba nyine ntoba tagiti. Yet we say we have human capital, but we are not utilizing that human capital.
Thank you so much, Daktari. Even